Will I get a SoftWash training certificate at the end of 3 days? The simple answer is no. We believe you cannot learn enough in such a short 3-day course. However, you will be confident and competent enough to start your exterior cleaning journey as an owner-operator. A SoftWash Systems SoftWash training certificate will only be awarded to those who have completed our Certified Applicator training course. Our Certified Applicator course covers 4 main categories: tools, duties, safety, and surfaces. There are 20 classes in total, and you must pass a 200-question exam to be awarded the certificate. The course costs an additional £1,399 plus VAT, which can be completed online at home or work. We only invite people to take the Certified Applicator course who embrace lifelong learning for personal and, of course, business development. Additionally, to obtaining your training certificate, we invite you to become a member of our in-network group on Facebook. You will also be allowed to use the Certified Applicator Shield on your website, vans, and stationery. We will also list your company on the SoftWash Systems website in the Find Professional pages.